In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to build another section, following our original project design. Now, instead of building everything from scratch again, I'm going to use a really useful feature, the export and import tool. Why? Because this new section shares a lot of elements and styling with one I've already built. So let's save ourselves some time. Here's what I will do. I will export the second section I created earlier, and then I will import it right after section number 3. Once that's done, I will start tweaking it to match the design. First, I will adjust the container sizes to fit the new layout. Then, I will remove a few unnecessary elements that we don't need here. And now, let's talk about the pill element. Remember that little label we styled earlier? We used a global style for it, which is super convenient. But what if we want to change the background color just for this specific pill without messing up the other ones on the side? Good news, you totally can. You don't need to break or edit the global style. Just change the color locally and it will only apply to this instance. So let's go ahead and change the background to pink and update the rest of the content in this section to match the project design. And just like that, I've saved time reusing a section while still keeping full control over individual elements. See you in the next part.